Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a video about Cochin University of Science and Technology. And Cochin University of Science and Technology, as you know, is one of the premier institute in Kerala, and it's well known in India also in general, and to some extent it's known internationally. And yesterday I made a video about Cochin University cancelling their common admission test this year for the selection of their students. And the video was in Malayalam. And in Cochin University there are lots of people studying from outside Kerala and even from outside India too. So some students asked me to make a video in English. That's why I am here. So about the new notification. According to new notification, for 3 courses, that's BTech all courses, and MSc 5-year integrated photonics, and for MSc 5-year integrated science, for these 3 courses, QuizArt will not conduct common admission test this year. Instead, the marks these students got for their plus 2 or PUC examination will be considered for preparing the rank list and for their admission. The students have to enter their marks before 18th of August and in the university website. I have given the link of the university website in the description, and also I have given the link of the notification. So the students have to enter their marks of plus 2 marks, not the point, not the plus 1 marks. They have to enter their plus 2 marks in physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology in the website. And since different board of examinations are involved, like even in Kerala itself, there are Kerala syllabus students and CBSE, ICSE, etc. So QuizArt will make a normalization procedure of the marks the students entered. And in the case of the students who studied in the Kerala examination, they will not have Kerala syllabus, they will not they undergo any normalization procedure. But for other students like CBSE and ICSE, they will have to undergo a normalization procedure of their marks, and the normalization will be done according to Kerala entrance examination, that KEAM rules. So the students have to enter their marks in these subjects and also their total marks, that's total marks they have got for plus 2, also the year of passing and the board of examination they studied. For the preparation of the rank list, for BTech and 5-year integrated photonics courses, the marks student got for physics, chemistry and mathematics will be considered. But in the case of 5-year integrated science courses, the marks students got for physics, chemistry and biology will be considered. But in that case also, if the student got more marks in mathematics than biology, then the marks of mathematics will be considered. This is for students who studied both mathematics and biology. And the university has given some rules regarding a tie occurs even after this normalization procedure, and the details of that are given in notification, and it is by considering the marks student got for different subjects in different combinations. And if a tie occurs even after this, the marks the student got for total marks student got for plus 2 examination will be considered, and still the tie continues, the marks student got for English will be considered for making the rank list. If a tie still exists, the date of birth of the candidate will be taken into consideration for preparing the rank list. And even after this, still the tie continues, then the alphabetic order of the name of the candidate will be taken for preparing the rank list. The main thing to consider is that university cancelled the examination for 3 courses, 3 separate courses, and for the other courses like LLB and BPhOC and MTech and other MSc courses, new notification will come. Other thing to consider is that this is not a new notification or new call for students. This is for the students who already applied for CAT 2020 and was waiting for writing the examination. They have to enter their marks. You liked my update about QuizArt and the CAT, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon also if you want to get my future videos. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.